Been recently introduced into the lifestyle with Sarah. She comes from a long line of hunters and fishers, and she grew up with a couple of good bird dogs.
I may look high maintenance, but I love me a crisp winter morning in a duck blind. I ain't as high maintenance as I look.
What time did you get up today?
10.
Okay.
Yeah.
I may have pampered her a little too much. Anyway, she used to be all about that hunting and fishing. Grew up with bird dogs, and the good one passed away earlier this year, Libby. So I wrote this song kind of about her and Sam and some other bird dogs. Scarlet painted eastern skies, waiting for the sun to rise, counting down the clock to shooting time. On glassy water it looked so calm, you could stand up and walk out on, clear as a picture in my mind. But then I open up my eyes, and I've traveled time 'cause you're gone. I guess it's been a few long years since we drank Sam Houston here on the high bank where the water runs slow. Got cut off like an old oxbow. The river changed with the water's flow, left us behind with the driftwood and the stones. 'Cause when I open up my eyes, it seems I've traveled time 'cause you're gone. Some wounds heal and they fade away, others hurt each step you take, and I've still got that ringing in my ears. 'Cause when I hear October guns sounding off to a rising sun, I get the feeling you're still here. Then I close my eyes, see 'em locked up in the sky, and you're there. Every time I close my eyes, see them locked up in the sky, and you're there.